Hello my beautiful KK family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute puppy dog wreath. If you are new to my channel and would like to see more videos, hit that notification and subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So what we are going to need to create this look today is black and white paint, some paintbrushes, scissors, fisher string, ribbon, any decor you would like, and 2 wreaths. So next we are going to just work on our smaller wreath. I'm just going to cut the wire off of this one wreath and unwrap it and pull it apart to form mini circles. I highly recommend that you just buy 4 of these small wreaths from Dollar Tree, but I only bought 1, so this is me just trying to figure out the best way to go about it. And so now I am taking some fisher string and just wrapping it around to secure the sticks back together. And you also want to just keep going around it until you can form the circle that you want. And I'm just going to repeat this process 4 times. And for a little extra security, you might just want to put a little hot glue at the knot of the string that you tied. And you're just going to keep going and make sure you pull the string as tight as you possibly can. That way it stays in place. Once you are done with that, we are going to just take our 4 little paws and we are going to take our fisher line string and we are just going to wrap it around our wreath in the position that you would like. Now you can either put your paws close together or you can separate them, and I decided to separate them because I thought that looked more like a paw. And we're just going to keep going as tightly as you can. Just pull the string around and just tie it and put a little hot glue at the base. And we're just going to repeat this process for all 4. Once we are done with that, we are just going to take our decor, our plants and flowers, and hot glue them into the places that we would like them to be placed at. And if you want my recommendation, I would just do it around the paw to cover up the strings from the fisher line that we used. That way you cannot tell that there's a fisher line there. And we're also going to make a bow and some other decor to hide those as well. So this got skipped over, but we are going to take this home sign that I got from Dollar Tree and we are going to paint it white. Once we are done painting it white, we are just going to take some black paint, and I thought it would be cute to just add some little paw prints all over the home sign. Now we're just going to make a bow out of this fall decor ribbon, and I've made this bow in my last wreath video, so if you want to check out a full description and detailed voiceover of how to make this bow, just go check out that video. But once we are done making our bow, we are just going to place it on our wreath the way that we would like it. So that wraps up this video, you guys. I hope y'all really enjoyed this look, and you can recreate it any way you would like to. But if you did like this video, please give it a huge like. That would be greatly appreciated, and I love you.